আসসালামু আলাইকুম রহমতুল্লাহি ওয়া বারাকাতুহু। সম্মানিত ভিউয়ার, আশা করি আপনারা সব ভালো আছেন, আপনারা দয়া আমি ভালো আছি। গত একটা পর্ব দেখছিলা যে আমি স্ট্রবেরি গাছরে ছাটাই করিয়া দিছিলাম, প্রুনিং করিয়া দিছিলাম, ফাতালাতা সব খাইটা দিলাইছিলাম। তো এখন আপনার কাছে আমি আপডেট লই আইছি আজকে। তো দেখো যেগুলো আমি খাইটা দিছিলাম আগা ফাতা, ওই দেখা নতুন করে ফাতা ছাড়ছে, দেখতে পারলানি।
Cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things. Gonna make a f***ing name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste it, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent, and it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots, if I miss all, forget it. I'll take a bad loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always staying tall and sweating. I never back up, I don't make a mistake, won't regret it. I'm always learning, you can call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. That energy is like a poison, need some antiseptic. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. This and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I can roast, I can gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. You're in this reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time. You're hilarious, mysterious, because you are behind the thing exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains and last. It was the leaving what you got, it was built to last. Bite me.
Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show
this. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
আপনারা প্লান্ট কি প্রোডাকশন বাড়াইবার চেষ্টা করবা, তো ইনশাল্লাহ আপনারা সাকসেস হইবা। তো আশা করি ভালো লাগবে আজকের টিপসটা। আমি এই পর্যন্ত আপনার কাছে লইয়া আইছি। আর আমার চ্যানেল যারা সাবস্ক্রাইব করছই না, প্লিজ আমার চ্যানেল সাবস্ক্রাইব করিয়া আমার পাশে থাকবা আর অল নোটিফিকেশন বেল বাজিয়ে রাখবা, যাতে আগামী দিন নতুন নতুন আপলোড দিলে আপনারা সাথে সাথে দেখতে পারবা। আর যারা অলরেডি সাবস্ক্রাইবার আছেন আপনারা অসংখ্য অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ জানাই। আর সবসময় আমার পাশেও থাকবা, আমার সাপোর্ট করিয়া যাইবা। আর থ্যাংক ইউ সবরে আবারও। আর এই কামনায় বিদায় নিলাম। আসসালামু আলাইকুম ওয়া রাহমাতুল্লাহি ওয়া বারাকাতুহু।